up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare one of my favorite foods when I'm on a high-fat, moderate amount of protein, low-carb diet. Now, I'm doing a series of videos that are going to show you the exact foods I'm eating to help me achieve my fat loss goals, and I'll link them down below in the description box. Now, one of my favorite foods that I love to eat no matter what type of diet I choose is a salad. Salads are a great way to get a ton of vegetables into your diet at once. However, if you're busy like me, it's not always easy to do. That's where prepping the salad ahead of time will come in handy. I'm going to show you the simplest way to prepare a salad so that when you're ready for it, it's already ready and you just have to pull it out of the refrigerator and add the ingredients. It's quick and easy. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is wash all of my romaine hearts that I purchased at the store. Then I'm going to cut it into small pieces and rinse it under running water. I wash all of my lettuce because I don't want to have to do any salad prep during the week. If I have to prep it during the week, chances are I won't do it. Now, I like to use a salad spinner. This one is by Xoxo. Salad spinners are really good because they help to wring out any of the excess water in your lettuce. It's really important to have nice, crisp, dry lettuce. The longer you can keep your lettuce dry, the longer it will last in your refrigerator. Now, I like to run my lettuce through the salad spinner about 3 to 4 times to try and get out as much of the water as I can before I store it in a separate container. Now it's time to store the lettuce in the container. I start by placing a paper towel at the bottom of the container, and then I'll put some lettuce, and then another paper towel, and then more lettuce, and I'll use that pattern until I reach the top of the container. It's really important that you don't skip this step of adding the paper towels because the paper towels will help absorb any moisture that might build up during the week and keep your lettuce dry. And I was able to get 3 containers out of 6 romaine hearts. Okay guys, so now it's time for me to prep my add-ins. I will cut off both ends of the cucumber. I will then take my cutting glove and then use the vegetable peeler to peel the entire cucumber. And then I will take my container, take some paper towels, cut the paper towels in half because they're a little too big for the container. And then I'm going to follow the same procedure I did with the romaine lettuce. I like to use my mandolin, but you have to be really careful. You slice it to your desired thickness, and then you will place a paper towel on top. This is just to make sure that your cucumbers remain dry for the entire week. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together a salad just by having your romaine lettuce and cucumbers already ready. So I'll put the romaine lettuce in a bowl, then I'll add some cucumbers, I'll add some sunflower seeds, then I'll put some ground flax in there, I'll put some tuna fish that I already prepared ahead of time, then I'm going to add some pepper, then some salt, and it's a nice, easy, healthy salad. Okay guys, so that's how I prepare super simple salads that will last me the entire week without the hassle. The key is to keep it simple. Remember, I only had to prep 3 ingredients, which was the romaine lettuce, the tuna fish, and the cucumbers. The other 2 ingredients, the sunflower seeds and the flax seeds, required no prep on my part. So keep that in mind when you're prepping your salads. Comment down below and let me know if you prep your salads daily or if you do it on a weekly basis. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you will be notified when I upload videos. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.